Hi guys, it's LindsayAnn. Today we're making something a little over the top with my bacon, cheddar, and onion funnel cakes. Now you've seen my classic sweet funnel cake video, but today we are taking them to a whole new level by adding in some salty bacon, some crunchy chopped green onions, and cheddar cheese for the ultimate savory funnel cake. So first we're just gonna add our flour mixture to a bowl with a little cornmeal and give it a stir. Then add 1 large egg, about 2 cups of water, and if you're of age, go ahead and replace the water with some beer for a really cool beer batter for your funnel cakes. And stir this all together. And as always, you guys can get the full written recipe on my website at lindsayannbakes.com. So after the video, head on over there for all the details and more of my fun party food. All right, now comes the good part. We are just gonna stir in some chopped bacon, some shredded cheddar cheese, and some chopped green onion for a little crunch and pop of color. Then we're just gonna transfer this to a plastic sandwich baggie. And then just snip off a little bit of the corner of the bag so we can pipe this right into the hot oil. Then just squeeze the batter right into the hot oil in a circular motion, overlapping onto itself, and let it cook there for just a few minutes. When it's nice and brown on the bottom, just go ahead and flip it over and cook it until it's nice and golden brown all over. Then just get it out of the hot oil and place it on a paper towel lined plate. How much fun are these? If you guys give them a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter at LindsayAnnBakes. Let me know what you think. Then all you have to do is garnish them with a little extra bacon and cheese and green onion, and you are ready to dig in. So there you have my bacon, cheddar, and onion funnel cakes. Get creative, you can add in anything you like, even add some chopped jalapenos, and as always, head on over to lindsayannbakes.com for the full recipe and tons more that I know you're gonna love, and be sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!